Today we'll explain how SAP Joule integrates across SAP's SaaS and PaaS applications, and what that means for users, developers, and it. First, what is SAP Joule? Joule is SAP's generative AI assistant designed to help you complete tasks, find answers, and automate steps directly within SAP products. The key idea is that you don't go to a separate chatbot. Joule appears in the apps people already use and understands business context. Now let's break down the integration into 3 layers: the user experience layer, the business context layer, and the extensibility and governance layer. Layer 1 is the user experience. In many SAP Cloud applications, Joule is surfaced as an in-app assistant entry point within the product shell. That means the same assistant experience can be available across different SAP SaaS products, such as HR, finance, procurement, supply chain, customer experience, and analytics. Users can ask questions in natural language, get summaries, generate drafts, and trigger guided actions without leaving the current screen. Layer 2 is business context. Joule becomes useful when it can interpret your role, your current task, and your enterprise data. SAP applications provide this context through standard business objects, metadata, and authorization-aware data access. Practically, this means Joule can answer questions like, "What are my overdue purchase orders?" or "Summarize this quarter's revenue drivers," while respecting your permissions. It can also use the current page context to reference the object you're working on, like an invoice, an employee record, or a sales opportunity. Layer 3 is actions and automation. Beyond answering questions, Joule can help execute work. Integration with application workflows and task frameworks allows Joule to propose next steps, prefill forms, create drafts, and guide you through approvals. In many scenarios, you'll see Joule suggest actions such as creating a job requisition, generating a supplier email, or explaining why a KPI changed, then letting you confirm before anything is posted. So how does this span both SaaS and PaaS? SaaS is where the business processes live. Joule integrates into those SaaS apps to provide context-aware assistance for day-to-day work. PaaS is where you extend, connect, and govern. On SAP Business Technology Platform, Joule-related capabilities can be connected to extensions, custom apps, and integrations so that the assistant can support your company-specific processes. On the PaaS side, integration typically includes 3 capabilities. First, extensibility. You can expose custom business logic, APIs, and events from extensions so Joule can assist with your unique workflows. That might mean enabling Joule to answer questions using a custom data model or to trigger a custom approval flow. Second, integration. You can connect SAP and non-SAP systems using integration services and APIs so the assistant can work end-to-end, like checking order status across multiple systems or drafting a customer response using data from CRM and ERP. Third, governance and security. Enterprise AI needs guardrails. Integration follows identity, roles, authorizations, and auditability. Data access stays permission-based, and organizations can define policies for what data can be used, what actions are allowed, and how outputs should be monitored. To summarize, SAP Joule integrates into SAP SaaS applications through a consistent in-app assistant experience and deep business context. It extends across SAP PaaS on SAP BTP by enabling customization, integration with other systems, and enterprise-grade governance. The result is a single assistant that helps people get answers, complete tasks, and automate steps across the SAP landscape, while staying secure and